Hi, we're back after the holiday break, and I thought I'd start out this year with showing you how you actually make a quilt. This is part one. It's going to be a periodic thing where I show you my progress on making a quilt. The first step in making a quilt is choosing a pattern. Now, where do you find patterns? There's all kinds of places. You have magazines that you have specialty quilt magazines. This is American Quilter that have patterns in them. You have books that can be one particular technique, like braided bargello, or this one's pixel play. You can have a book that's devoted to one specific pattern but has multiple layouts of it. This is my favorite Quilt in the Day log cabin. Or you can have books that have lots of different patterns in them with lots of different techniques, like Quilt in the Day's Victory Quilt, which is 1940 Samplers quilts. You can also find free ones on the web, or they get sent to you. I think this one came to me when I renewed my American Quilter membership. This one was a blog, which this is a favorite. This is a fun one to make, and you can find those. Now, with the free patterns, please don't even share those for free with a friend. Somebody put a lot of effort into these, and they should, at least get the clicks on their website. Another place you can get patterns is your favorite quilt store or ordering direct online, although support your local quilt shop. But I support local quilt shops across the country. You can either download them. They have digital downloads now, like J. Michelle Watts. I just love her stuff. It's all strip piecing. And then I found this one. And, oops, that's another free pattern. That should be over there. Of course, the animals. Hi, Gina. This one's for you. And then there's the old-fashioned, there's the regular way of just getting the paper pattern in the shop. And you have all these choices. Thing is, there is tons of choices. And so you want to narrow it down. For this particular series of videos, I've decided I'm going to do a simple table topper rather than a whole quilt, so I have a chance of finishing it for y'all. So I chose Rock Candy by J. Bird Quilt. So that's the one we're going to make, just that table topper. I think that's kind of fun with the technique that I can show you all. And so that's the one we're going to be working on throughout the year, and I'll be showing you the progress. The next time we do this, I'll show you how you choose fabrics for your quilt. So that's part one, how to make a quilt. Remember, you can always buy my quilted things at Legal Quilts online web shop, or you can buy me a coffee if you don't want to buy something at coffee.com Legal Quilts. See you next time.